Hi, I'm Scott Cooper, your local mortgage banker. Today I want to talk to you about some guideline changes that are coming up here pretty quick and also give you some feedback on what's taking appraisals so long right now. Now, come the end of September, we're going to see the loan limits for conventional and FHA loans is going to drop from $580,000 down to $474,950 in our Tri-County area. So that what that means is if you have buyers who have loan amounts in those ranges between the $474,950 and the $580, you really need to get on the lender to get loan docs drawn by the end of this month, or else they're going to have to go qualify for a new program, which is probably going to mean a delay in your transaction. Don't want that to happen. The second part is flood insurance. Come October 7th, the current federal flood insurance program is going to expire. And if we don't have Congress step in to extend it, it's going to be very, very difficult, if not impossible, to get flood insurance on properties in flood zones. So if you have any homes that are in a flood zone right now, you got to get that loan closed as quick as possible so that you're not having to scramble to see if you can get flood insurance for your buyer. Let's talk about appraisals. What's going on with appraisals? They're taking a long time these days. I'm sure you're seeing that happen. There are two good reasons why that's occurring right now. Number one, rates are low, volume's up. Refinances are higher, purchases, we're seeing an uptick in purchases in the area, and that's clogging up our system. Have to remember that there are three layers that an appraisal has to go through. First, the appraiser has to do the appraisal. Then the management company goes through, they're going to quality control it, make sure that it meets their standards, and then the underwriter has to review it. So that volume is going to back up at those three stop points. The other part is the new process that appraisers have to follow. It's called UAD, and it was implemented the beginning of September. Now, I talked to a couple appraisers I know, some good buddies of mine who are in the appraisal business, and they're saying it's taken them about an hour more of data input to conform to the new rules and regulations. So that's one more hour of data input for the appraiser, one more hour of data for the management company to review, and one more hour of data for the underwriter to review. That's clogging everything up. Appraisals we're seeing take a good 50% longer than normal. So, if you're feeling that also, don't beat up on your lender. It's not our fault. We're pushing as hard as we can. So, wanted to get these guidelines out to you. Keep them in mind. Have any questions, give me a call. My contact information is to follow. I'm Scott Cooper, your local mortgage banker, and I'll talk to you soon.